Hello guys, this is Philip Pronku from Pronku's Pipe Smoking Den, and today with help of Silviu from Vintage Pipes and Nightmares
For end.
without end. Vintage Pipes Nightmares.
Hey guys,
This is the first time I got it. So we are here in the park in Bucharest, and we thought, let's make a video about what? And I thought about let's make a video about lunting. So what is lunting? Actually, it's basically walking and smoking a pipe. Now, some people find it difficult. I don't know why, but this is my method. I already packed the pipe, so. But anyway, when you're in the park, you just load your pipe like you usually do. You have to have your temper. You need to have your temper with you. I usually keep it in my here in the pocket, but if it's autumn or whatever, I have a jacket, and in the jacket I usually keep this temper, and off I go. Now, it's really not that difficult, even if it's a lot of wind. Thing is, you need to keep some, like this, some space, so that the wind won't blow off your flame. So this is already
housekeeping.
some wind. So
What
you
you're
just light it up.
smoking there?
What is it? It's GLPs. What am I smoking?
GLPs,
What is it?
London Flake.
No, it's not London. It's London Flake. You put London Flake here.
No,
I don't remember it.
but
So-
that's a downhill shell briar. That's what I meant.
That's it. You just light it up, but you need to put some space here so it doesn't blow off. The wind doesn't come and blow your light away. So let's see. And off we go.
And off we go.
It's actually very, how should I say, very relaxing. I usually do this when I'm in the morning. I go out with a dog. I let it go wherever she wants, and I let my pipe and just take this exact same
Root.
route that I usually do. So you can see it's quite beautiful here.
Wait a second to show the beautiful park. Birds are chirping.
And in the morning it's perfect. It's not a lot of people here, so you just smoke your pipe in peace, and it's great. It's a great experience, you know. You take off your thoughts and just relax. And I really encourage people to do this whenever they can. Now, there are some situations, like for example, it rains, starts raining. It's still not a problem, because, or if it's a lot of wind, you can keep it like this, not totally blocked. Some people say you can put your thumb, but I usually keep it like this, and it's great. You can walk with it.
Let me show the park again because it's very beautiful.
Obviously you can clench your pipe, but since this is a downhill, I don't really clench it. So
Yeah.
yeah. And off you go. I don't know, Silvio, what do you think I should say about lunting? Did I cover everything? I don't know.
I don't know. Doesn't make your breathing harder?
No,
Yeah.
it's actually, you get used to it, you know, like you walk, And when you decide to smoke, to draw from the pipe, it's like it doesn't affect it. I don't know.
Yeah, I
Maybe it
never
comes
did
naturally.
it.
Maybe it comes naturally. I don't know. One last thing. Obviously, when you're lunting, you need to have your check tool, which I have in my pocket and I can't reach it. So, after you finished your pipe, or you haven't, you will obviously take all the tobacco out. So, don't forget the check tool. It happened to me to forget about it, and I was walking with my pipe like this until I came home.
Yeah.
And that's about it. So until next time, happy lunting, happy puffing, and take care.
Bye, guys.